Hey guys, I just drug in this 2002 Grizzly 660 and we're going to see if we can get it to start. First we're going to weld up a few little spots on the frame here. Got a crack through here. Got another crack most of the way through here. And then got some shenanigans going on back here with some fabricating. Anyway, we're going to cut all this stuff out and fix that up a bit. I'm just going to weld these. The metal here is nice and solid. It's just cracked. Same with here. We're just going to weld them up. And we're going to put the engine back in. The reason the engine's apart in this one is I think this is all new valves and stuff that are in, it seems to be. But anyways, this one's bent. I straighten that. You can see the valve came out and hit the head. See the marks in there? I don't know if they timed it wrong, and I'd say they timed it wrong. And that middle valve hit the piston. And it broke. That's the tip of the valve where the keeper goes in there. We're going to put a new valve in there. New seal up top, and that seal got beat up, and we're going to stick it all back together and see if we can make a bike.